Hello everyone, let us solve this problem before us. It says that x is equal to square root of 8 over x and our target is to find the value of x. To be able to find the value of x, the best option is to square both sides so that the square root can go away. Because if the square root goes away, the solution becomes better. So let us square both sides. If you do that, we have x squared equals, the square root cancels the square, you now have 8 over what? X, right? Now cross multiply. X squared times x will give us x cubed equal to 1 times 8 is 8, right? Now bringing the 8 to the left hand side, we will have x cubed minus 8 is equal to what? 0. Now from here, we know that 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3 because 2 to the power of 3 will give us 8. Now, this is now what we call a difference of two cubes. This is a cube, this is a cube, and this is a difference of two cubes. And when you have a cube minus b cube, this is the same thing as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. This is the expansion. So we can borrow the same thing to simplify this. So this is now our A and this is now our B. So from this we can have x minus 2 into, seeing A again, you replace A with x. So which is x squared plus 2x, 2 times x, then plus 2 squared, right? And 2 squared will give us what? 4. Everything is equal to 0. So use this, use your A as x, use your b as what? 2. And substitute here, you're going to get this back. Now, when two terms are multiplying each other to give you 0, you suspect that either the first one is 0 or the second one is 0, or even both of them are 0. So either that x minus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2. We've succeeded to get that x is 2, right? Or the second one, which is x squared plus 2x plus 4 equal to 0. There are no two numbers you multiply to get 4, and when you add, you get 2. They don't exist. Two whole numbers, sorry. And because of that, you can use quadratic formula. Our A is 1, our B is 2, our C is equal to 4. And you know that x is minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. We can now substitute in this formula. X becomes minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared minus 4 times 1 times 4 all over 2 times 1. So x becomes minus 2 plus or minus square root of 2 squared is 4 minus this times this is 16 all over 2, right? So x becomes minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 16 is minus 12 all over 2. This is now a complex number, an imaginary number because of the negative. So this is minus 2 plus or minus, we can call this 12i, right? The square root of minus 12 is 12i all over 2. Now, if I divide everything by 2, x becomes, this divided by 2 is minus 1 plus or minus 6 what? I. Therefore, x can be minus 1 plus 6i, or x can also be minus 1 minus 6i plus this. So these are the solutions to this particular equation. If you are new here, kindly consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Bye.